So, good day, ma'am. My name is Remy J. Kamandagan, and my topic is all about the vowel sounds. So, all vowel sounds are produced in the same way, but the sound passes undisturbed via the mouth, but the placement of the jaw, lips, and tongue, and the soft palate are not the same, and that's the reason why uh, the sound their sounds came out differently from our mouth. Next is there are three kinds of vowel sounds based on the tongue position. First is the frontal vowels, which is your tongue position in the front. Next is central or middle vowels, which is your tongue, of course, positioned in the middle or in the center, and or somehow it stays on its place. And the last one is the backward vowels, which is your tongue is positioned backwards. Next is we have to remember that vowel sounds are different from the sounds of the vowels in the alphabet. Uh, there are 26 letters in the alphabet, and only five of them are the vowels, which is the letter A, E, I, O, and U. And let's not forget that vowel sounds are differently pronounced as uh, as the vowels is pronounced. And in the vowel sounds, there are a lot of vowel represents in the pronunciations. For instance, the letter A can be pronounced in different manners, as in apple, or as in talk, or in a, like blame or flame. Uh, we we should remember that the pronunciation is uh, not solely depend on the spelling, because there are a lot of words um, that not the letters are not or let's say that the letters have its own different pronunciation. And there's this vowel sound called, it is spelled as SCWA but pronounced as a vowel sound in IPA form. Now, here are the IPA vowel sounds. So, all in all, there are 20 vowel sounds in English, and uh, they are categorized with monophthongs and diphthongs. So when we say monophthongs, it is just only a one IPA, and with diphthongs, it is two IPA combines in one word. Uh, there are also the short vowels and the long vowel sound in this. Just for example, this, as you can see, the letter small IPA I there, it is pronounced as a long vowel. It is pronounced as sheep, sheep, e, sheep, e, sheep. Uh, and the capital letter I is a short vowel like sheep, eat, sheep, deep, tip. Yeah, and that's how they differ. Uh, Also, just like the word good, good. That's the short vowels. Good, only good, and uh, and of course, all in all, there are 20 IPA vowel sounds in English. And that's conclude my report, ma'am. Thank you.